Hi guys, most of the people get answer 35 for this problem in wrong way. Here 22 minus 8 is 14 divided by 2 times 5. Here 14 divided by 2 is 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. This is wrong. As per order of operations, PEMDAS here this is bracket, here multiplication, division, additions, subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right rule for this addition and subtraction and multiplication division. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Now we have subtraction, division and multiplication. Here division and multiplication higher priority than the subtraction. We have to do this first. From this we have to do left to right rule. So now we have to do 8 divided by 2. 22 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 5. Now we have subtraction and multiplication. Obviously this multiplication is higher priority. So 22 minus 20. Now this is 2. Correct answer.